So in order to fit that short log on here, I take the backstop off and move it 1 bunk or 2 bunks up because the distance between was too far. So it's time to make another one, I think.
What was that?
I got 3 to choose from.
Those 2? And then the one from yesterday. Right here.
Well, we just spent about 10 minutes cutting these 3 mantel pieces. The lady needs a mantel. She needs it 3 inches by 8 inches out of cedar. So I cut this one and it has some knots and different things in it, or not knots. It had like some bad spots in the wood.
And it's not
but
as red.
and it's not as red. It's a little older. It's been sitting for a while. But I decided to go ahead and cut a couple more. Cut up one more little small piece I had. So it's got to be 60 inches long. I had a little short piece of cedar sitting there. It was like 68 inches, so I went ahead and cut it up. But anyway, I made 2 more. That way she's at least got 3 to choose from. And these come out really nice. So she's got some options anyway. Quick morning time money. That's all it is. Spend a few minutes out of the day to make a few dollars. Well, the lady that wanted the wood, she came and she ended up getting 2. She got the 2 fresh ones I just cut, and the old one is still here. And I don't blame her. It's got some bad spots in it. That's why I cut the others up. But yep, that's all gone. She picked up 2 of them instead of 1, and I got a few 1-bys out of that wood. So I'm gonna stack this up and make use of it. So I'm taking this backstop off. This one was one of the bent ones, and I could order this, but I really think I could just make this. So I'm going to attempt to build one of these. I'm gonna take it off, and I've got some 11 gauge steel or 10 gauge steel. I'm gonna pull it apart and measure everything and make my own. Should be pretty simple. but I did have some white. That's it. This thing ought to work nicely. Well, here's a new backstop. I used some galvanized pipe. I had some heavy gauge galvanized pipe for the bar, but seems to work real well. Got an old ratchet handle for a T-handle here, and we're going to mount it right here in the center between the other two. Let's do right there, huh?
That's good.
Actually, it needs to be the other way around. It needs to be upside down. All right, let's start that over. Perfect. Do that. I need to work on my top here. I gotta weld me a plate and a notch just like this one, but I want to test it first. So there it is. Now we have a third backstop, and we're going to actually do a fourth also. We're going to test this one out first and put it through its paces, see how it works. It should do fine. That should work good for short logs and long logs. So I gotta adjust the spacing and make sure everything's good, and then I'll go ahead and weld my top plate on here in my little notch like the others have. These have that notch in that flat area here. Well, thanks for watching. That concludes our video for today. We're gonna test these things out in the next video and make sure they work right.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave us a comment and let us know what you think.